Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope that you are having what in the world am I trying to say? I hope you're having a good day. Not a bad day, just good, maybe excellent. That's all up to you and your perception and deep things like that. Today I have the November single swag box, and it is heavy as hell because it is chock full of stuff. And this is, I believe, $35 box a month. I bought it for 3 months, so I got a discount on it. I'll try to put the correct price in the description below if you are so inclined to try it out. I'm trying this box out. This is my 3rd month, and December will be my last month because there's so many good things in here, but I just have so much stuff. I don't know that I can handle much more good stuff all the time. So this is what it looks like. It says, win your next box if you take a picture of your stuff. And this is a card telling me what I have. I always appreciate a card. And then we open up the tissue paper. Ooh, fancy. Let's see. Let me get this card, this box. So much stuff. And the first thing that I'm going to pull out is a jar. Oh, it's a candle. I love candles. And this is Canyon Moon Candle, Jasmine Gardenia. Let's see. Midnight Rose Scented Candle, $18. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has clean, alluring floral and aromatic scent. $18. Oh, it smells amazing. It does not smell like roses. It smells like jasmine and gardenia, like it says. That is beautifully scented. And look how beautiful that tin is. I will definitely love using that. That is something I am keeping. Next up is from Violet Harper. And this is an Isla layered necklace, black and black druzy earring set, $58. Make a statement with this fun, versatile gold-plated necklace and black square druzy earrings. Set perfect for dressing up or down, day or night. Necklace measures 16 inches with 4-inch extender. Oh, I've got it all upside down. Nope, it all fell out. Okay. And this is definitely going to be a great gift. You see those druzy earrings? See how they sparkle? That's a natural occurring thing that happens to some stones. They get all sparkly and jagged. And this is a beautiful necklace. You can't see it because I have the box in the way. And it's very, very pretty. I don't know if I'd pay $58, but it will be a lovely Christmas gift. And next up is this big thing. And this is the Calm On Relaxing Bath Duo. Bath salts and bath confetti, which is always fun. And this is We Live Like This. Calm On Relax. Okay, box. I just now figured out the box is just going to run everything. Treat yourself to a day at the spa in the comfort of your home with this vegan luxury bath product that'll help you relax and refresh. It's $15. And you can see the little crystals and the little circles they have in the pink. And that's very nice. And I will add up everything. Oh, the retail total for this box is $209. Next up is something, oh, cats having a good time sliding into boxes. We have some Lily's dark chocolate peanut butter cups, which I really love, and they are sugar-free. And I can't wait to eat these because they are delicious, and these are $4. And the Lily's sweets are pretty expensive. Move over sugar. Lily's will take it from here. Enjoy these creamy chocolate keto-friendly cups, botanically sweetened with stevia, less sugar, less sweet life. Join Lily's on a journey to sweet life. And then there's a coupon for $1 off at lilies.com/pages/coupons. So So that's cool. There's always a little sweet treat. There's so much stuff in here. And we've got more stuff. There just keeps being more stuff. It's amazing. And this is the Good Vibes, Good Vibes, Good Life. How self-love is the key to unlocking your greatness. And I know exactly who's getting this for Christmas. And she doesn't watch my videos, so that makes it even better. And this is an $18 book by Vex King. Be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions into positive ones? It is possible to find lasting happiness. In this book, author and Instagram guru Vex King answers all these questions and more. So that's excellent. Who couldn't use that book? Then we have Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish from Seraphine. Or is it Seraphina? There's not an A, so Seraphine. And Seraphine Botanicals, Whimsical, yep, $24. A revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crystals into a rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butters to help keep lips exfoliated, silky, smooth, and protected. Let's take a look. And it is sealed, and it's going to remain sealed, but it's a beautiful package, and it's a nice size. So that's a lot of lip care for $24. I mean, that's a really decent size tube. And we're not done yet. There's still more. Excuse me. Next we have So Susan. It's So Susan. So Susan. Aquarella dehydrating serum. I cannot speak today. $48. Refresh, soothe, and soften your skin with this face and body serum infused with avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, and everlasting flower extract. This non-greasy treatment contains reparative elements to assist in the healing of stretch marks, signs of fatigues, and allows skin to retain more moisture. Who doesn't need that? Let's take a look and see what it looks like. It is absolutely a stunning package. Very beautiful. That's something I have to say is like everything in here is packaged beautifully. All these things are very thoughtful. And there's one more thing in here, and then the box is empty now. Thank God. It's a pivotal set of 4 brushes. Let's see. This is $24, 4-piece facial brush set. Ensure your look is always on point at home or on the go with this 4-piece essential brush set, featuring a blush brush, fan brush, blender brush, and a double-sided brush comb. So let's check it out. Trying not to destroy the packaging. I'm not sure if I want to keep... Oh, they're beautiful. These are gorgeous. Look at those. So this is a blush brush, a fan brush, a blender brush, and a double-sided brush comb. I'm just probably going to have to... This is really nice. I love a fan brush. I'll put that in there. I think I'm going to give somebody else the blush brush, but I will keep the blender and the brush comb set. So this is great. So for like less than $40, for less than $40, around $35, I think, I got a brush set. Packaging goes over there. Brush set. Chocolate, bath stuff, a necklace and earrings, a lip treatment, a body serum. It's also for face. It's face and body. A book and a candle. And that's amazing. And all these things are great. And if I don't use them, they will be fantastic gifts to give somebody else, which I'm very excited about. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get this box, is for gifts for this coming year of holidays. So $209 value. I think they hit it out of the park. I have not been disappointed by one of these single swag boxes yet. It is fantastic. So thanks, Single Swag. You guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.